Mm-hmm.
Mm. Oh, so cute, Rexton. Hiccup, hiccup.
Don't worry. Are you trying to compete right now, Chico? Who's more important, me or him? Come here, you. You're so sad. Chico, come here. You're just another mother. Oh, playful mode. Tail's wagging. Mm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'll just pet you. I'll find a mom's pillow. That'll help. Wait. Yeah. Chico. Oh, don't worry. You'll never be replaced. I can't say that. You'll never be left unnoticed. That's